Don's Fitness, back with another YouTube video. Can you lose weight whilst eating junk food? Now, I know everyone likes sweets, they like chocolate, they like cake, they like donuts, they like McDonald's, they like a doner kebab, they like a chicken curry on a Friday or a Saturday. Can you lose weight whilst eating this food? Yes, you can. It's only about calorie balance. Calories in, calories out. So let's just say what I tend to do is to eat 80% clean and 20% dirty. So if my maintenance is 2,500 calories, what I'll do is I'll have 2,000 calories of clean food. I'll hit my protein intake, I'll hit my fiber intake, healthy fats. So I'll have avocado every day, I'll have salmon every day, I'll have eggs every single day. Tend to have chicken or fish, my whey protein. So I'll have 2,000 calories of all that clean food. And then the other 500 calories, what I tend to do then is I could have chocolate, I could have a donut. If I see a donut and I want to eat a donut, I'll eat the donut. If the donut's 300 calories, it's within my 500 calories. So it's not going to do anything to your body. As long as you hit your protein and your high intake of fiber, that 300, 400 calories of junk food is not going to do anything. So don't let anyone tell you, oh, you're eating junk food. Doesn't matter. As long as you're counting your calories, your maintenance balance of your calories is not going over the 2,500. Or even if it does one day, let's just say you go to 2,800 calories one day or 2,900, or you go treat yourself at a buffet to 3,200. I've just gone over 700 calories. What do? The next day, you go on a 2-hour walk. Burn that 700 calories off. Back to normal. So easy.